DP750 is full of real-world scenario-based questions like this one. Let's see if you can find the correct answer before the explanation. The question says that a DevOps team needs to deploy Databricks Application Bundles into a development environment. The deployment process must be automated, repeatable, and support deployments across multiple environments such as development, test, and production. The question is, which tool should be used for this deployment? Let's look at the options. A. Databricks Command Line Interface, CLI. B. Git repository folders. C. Azure Developer CLI, AZD. D. Azure Command Line Interface, Azure CLI. Pause the video for a moment and choose your answer. The correct answer is option C, Azure Developer CLI or AZD. Why? Because Azure Developer CLI is designed for modern application deployments. It supports automated deployments. It supports repeatable deployments. And it makes it easy to deploy applications across multiple environments. For Databricks Application Bundles, Azure Developer CLI is the recommended deployment tool. Option A is incorrect. The Databricks CLI is mainly used to interact with Databricks workspaces. It is not designed to manage automated application deployments across multiple environments. Option B is also incorrect. Git repository folders are used for source code version control. They store your code, but they do not automate deployments or manage releases. Option D is incorrect. Azure CLI is used for general Azure resource management. However, for deploying Databricks application bundles with automated, repeatable workflows, Azure Developer CLI AZD is the better choice. Here's a DP750 exam tip. If you see keywords like automated deployment repeatable rollouts, multiple environments, Databricks application bundles, right? The answer is very likely Azure Developer CLI AZD. If the question is only about interacting with the Databricks workspace, then think Databricks CLI. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to YogeshTechCode. I'm regularly uploading DP750 practice questions, Azure Databricks tutorials, and real exam tips to help you pass the certification. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next DP750 practice question. Happy learning!